everyone, welcome to Sandra Sensations. I have a special guest in the studio with me tonight. His name is Mr. Greg Patton. He's the love of my life, and he's helped me set up this art studio so I can do these videos, and he's just the most amazing man. However, he did say to me that he wanted to blow my mind tonight, and here we are in the art studio. Not quite what I thought he had in mind, but I'm a go with the flow kind of painter, so we're just gonna go with it. So we both have a 12 by 12 canvas with white acrylic. He's my Vanna White, are you?
Yeah. Gotta do something.
I'm just gonna blow out the bubbles. Just laid down the white acrylic on the canvas here. And he's gonna do a blowout with the blow dryer. And I'm gonna do a masterpiece with the plastic sheet over top and pulling it off. So that's the plan. He's picked out his colors. He's got blue, yellow, red, black, green, and orange. Interesting combination, huh?
Colors of our sports teams.
Okay, makes total sense. Must be a guy thing. Okay, I've got my new Montmartre purple. I waited for this to come in. It took about 2 weeks to get here, and now it's finally here. I'm going to try that with my magenta and my berry and my new gold, which is also from Montmartre. All right, you ready to do this, huh?
I'm ready.
So you're going to just start doing your puddle in the middle?
Okay.
Okay. Color on top of one another, and we'll blow it out, and I'll do mine over here. Just pretend I'm not here, hon.
Yeah, right. How big a puddle should I do?
That's pretty good. Boy, you got that almost right in the center. Well done. You just might blow my mind, hon.
You never know.
I'm going to do an abstract heart and hope it turns out.
Ooh.
How you doing over there?
I'm doing well, thank you. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. So far, so good.
Do you need any of my colors?
Might actually want to steal your blue if I could.
I don't know.
Thanks for sharing. That's awesome.
Now I do a white ring around the outer edge to help it spread.
Yes, all the way around. Excellent. Alright, so then when you do the blow dryer, hon, what you want to do is just blow lightly here, a little bit,
Excuse me.
just a little bit of the white into the whole circle area and let it sit for a couple seconds before you blow it all out. Does that make sense?
No.
Okay, you want me to do it for you, hon?
No.
Just lightly blow it around your circle, the white into your paint colors. I'm going to move to the side.
This isn't awkward.
Perfect. So you just let it sit for a second. See how it's starting to settle
Oh,
along the
yeah.
edge there?
Yeah.
So now you have to decide, do you want to do a blowout this way and this way, or do you want the whole thing done?
I want the whole thing done.
Okay, well, I'll let you just go to it. I might want to move my painting over a little bit.
You think?
I'm just going to move a little over this way.
Are you ready?
So you do whatever you want to do.
Dun, dun, dun.
Can I help you a tiny bit? Do you want the edges done?
Sure, please. I don't want any more black in the center that needs blown out.
Okay. Add one more color to that. What do you want in the center? Maybe red or...
I was gonna go blue.
Okay, go for it. Blue's fine. Okay. You want to blow the center?
Go ahead. Show me how it's done.
Are you happy with that?
Yeah, I guess.
You want a little bit more blue in there?
Yeah.
There we go.
Blow it.
What do you think?
Some serious cell action going on.
You want to torch it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to put my plastic down.
What do I do if it catches fire? Run!
Grab the water, hon. I got it to the side. Don't you worry. Turn the dial. There you go. What do you think of this out? Ooh, look at that. Blues, greens, orange.
Yeah. Don't see any of the red in there though. I guess a bit up in there.
Well, you can always torch it a bit more if you wanted. Let it sit for a minute. The heat will activate it all happening. So, okay, I'm going to move my painting back this way a little bit so people can see. I'm hoping that this is still going to look like a heart, but it might not. This could be a total flop. Yours could be a masterpiece, and mine could be blah.
But probably not.
That would be really mind-blowing, wouldn't it? Okay, let's see.
I could take over your channel.
Look, I'm not even keeping the heart.
Wow. That looks cool though. Look at that. Wow.
There we go.
That is breathtaking. It is. I love that. Mine, not so much.
Yours is awesome. There's
Yeah,
nothing
right.
wrong with yours. Yours is very manly. Okay, let me torch mine and see if it does anything.
Okay. Torch, torch, torch. I got cool cell action happening too.
You want me to torch yours some more?
Yeah, please.
Sure like the center of that. I'm going to hold mine up.
And then you're going to hold mine up.
I sure will. So there's mine with some cell action happening. I don't want to pick yours up with pinks and purples on my hands, so I'll wipe it off quickly. And we have the manly camouflage looking painting with the oranges and blues and blacks and yellow. Lots of color in that one. Well done. Yours turned out awesome.
Thank you.
Very first time doing it, you did outstanding.
Well, I wouldn't go that far.
Thank you very much, everyone, for joining us. It was fun.
Bye.